Good afternoon. Hi, this is Paul Meehan here at Solar and Storage Live 25. We've had two very successful days. Just making this little recording for those who are unlucky enough not to join us here at Solar and Storage, and particularly with a focus on the CSS-OD, our commercial storage solution. Let me just open the door and let you have a sneak peek of what you'll get with the CSS-OD. 102.4 kilowatts of storage we have here, full safety and protection built in, fire suppression top and bottom, and also fire extinguishers then. Individual protection in each of the drawers, each one 5.12 kilowatts, and each of those has aerogel fire suppression built into the system. On the outside we'll see the 50 PCS inverter. So it's 102.4 kilowatts of storage with a 50 kilowatt inverter. And most importantly, at this point in time, we have a very special offer for you, done with our partners at CCL, a price the like of which we haven't seen before. So do give us a shout, contact us, we'll provide all the details, and let's see if we can add commercial storage to your project.